Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to go down and check out the USS Slater on Quay Street. We're going to go through the Corning Preserve. Let's go check it out. All right, we're gonna get on the bike path here. Sometimes you can go straight and stay on the walking path. Sometimes people don't bother you. Sometimes people will say something to you. Not quite sure what the rules are there. You can get to the same destination, but we're gonna go ahead and get on the bike path, take the back way here, and get on Quay Street and go down and check out the USS Slater. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, just one thing to remember when you're down here, there's a lot of moving cars down here, a lot of traffic, a lot of people driving really fast, a lot of people pulling off to the side here, right in this little area. So just keep an eye out on that, all right? There she is, right? What a beauty. You know, it's amazing what our military does. And, you know, me coming from a military background, just want to say thank you to all the veterans. Thank you to all the service members that keep our country safe. Thank you very much. And, you know, let's enjoy the views here for a minute. Let's go check out the Dutch apple while we're down here. All right, guys, that concludes today's tour. Don't forget, Dutch Apple Cruises, you can go online, probably get some tours there. I'll try to leave some links in the description box below so you guys can look up some more information on there. Be on the lookout for our unedited video coming after this. It's going to be coming out probably in the morning. But other than that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the tour. We're going to do one more pass out on the USS Slater on our way out of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think of this video. We'll see you soon.